Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul has been trading for 3 months now. Some weeks he makes money, some weeks he loses, but he cannot figure out why. He looks at his profit and loss statement and sees random ups and downs. No pattern, no learning, just noise. He is trading blind, making the same mistakes over and over without even knowing what those mistakes are. Today, that changes. Rahul starts a trading journal. No records means no learning. Think about it. If you do not write down what you did, how will you know what works? Most traders take 50 to 100 trades a month. Can you remember the details of every single one? Entry price, exit price, why you entered, how you felt. Impossible. Without a journal, you are repeating the same mistakes month after month. Blind trading. You cannot fix what you cannot measure. What to write in your trading journal. Every single trade gets an entry. Date and time. Stock name and direction. Long or short. Entry price and exit price. Stop loss and target. Risk to reward ratio. Result in rupees and in our multiples. Your emotion before the trade. Were you calm, anxious, excited, revenge trading? A screenshot of the chart at entry. And one line, the most important line. What did I learn from this trade? One sentence. That one sentence is worth more than any course. Before every trade, a pre-trade checklist. 3 questions. 1. What is the trend? Up, down, or sideways? If you do not know the trend, do not trade. 2. What is the setup quality? Rate it 1 to 10. If it is below 7, skip it. 3. What is the risk to reward? If it is below 1.5 to 1, skip it. Write these answers before you enter. This takes 30 seconds. Those 30 seconds will save you thousands of rupees. After every trade, a post-trade review. 2 questions. 1. Did I follow my plan? Yes or no? Be honest. If you move your stop, if you exited early out of fear, if you added to a losing position, write it down. 2. What would I do differently? Maybe nothing. Maybe the trade was perfect and just did not work out. That is fine. But if you broke a rule, write it down. Accountability to yourself is the most powerful force in trading. Every Sunday, review your week. Open your journal and read every trade. Count your wins and losses. Calculate your average winner and average loser. But here is the real power. Look for patterns in your losses. Are they all in the same stock? The same time of day? The same setup? Did you revenge trade after a loss? Did you oversize when you were confident? The patterns will jump off the page. Your journal will tell you exactly what is killing your account. Rahul starts journaling. After 2 weeks, he has 23 trade entries. He sits down on Sunday and reviews them. He sorts his trades by time of entry. And there it is, staring at him from the spreadsheet. 80% of his losing trades were entered before 10 a.m. Opening chaos. Volatile first 30 minutes. He was jumping into trades in the noise. 18 out of 23 losses happened before 10 a.m. The journal found his biggest leak in 14 days. Rahul makes a new rule. No trades before 10:15 a.m. Let the opening chaos settle. Wait for the first clean setup after 10:15. He writes it on a sticky note and puts it on his monitor. The result? In the next 2 weeks, his win rate jumps from 45% to 58%. He did not learn a new indicator. He did not find a new strategy. He simply stopped doing the one thing that was destroying his results. The journal found it. Not intuition. Not a guru. The journal. Every month, track these numbers. Win rate. What percentage of trades are profitable? Average or multiple. How many are you making per trade? Best setup. Which pattern gives you the highest win rate? Worst setup. Which pattern loses the most? Best day of week. Worst time of day. Over 3 months, you will have enough data to know exactly who you are as a trader. Your strengths. Your weaknesses. Your edge. Numbers do not lie. Your journal is your personal trading coach. Rahul's 5 journaling rules. 1. Log every trade, winners and losers. No cherry picking. 2. Screenshot the chart at entry. Your memory will lie. The chart will not. 3. Write 1 lesson per trade. Force yourself. 4. Review weekly. Do not skip. The patterns hide in the review. 5. Track monthly stats. Win rate. Average are best and worst setups. If you're not journaling, you're not serious about trading. Your journal is the cheapest trading education you will ever get. It costs nothing but honesty. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.